Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad with corn. First, we'll gather our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a delicious meal. Then, we'll focus on perfectly cooking the macaroni and corn to achieve the ideal texture. Next, we'll prepare a creamy, tangy dressing that brings all the flavors together. Finally, we'll combine everything for a delightful salad. Let's start by cooking our main ingredients. Boil 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process, then set aside to cool. Next, cook 5 cups of corn kernels until they are crisp tender. Ensure both the macaroni and corn are completely cool before moving on. Now, let's create the delicious, creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick, and then stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Finish by seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled macaroni and corn. Add 1/2 cup of finely diced celery for a nice crunch. Pour the creamy dressing over the entire mixture, stirring gently until everything is well coated. For the best flavor, cover and chill the macaroni salad for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.